All right, so this weather stripping does go all the way around and comes down and is your door seal as well. This window is loose. Yeah, so over here on this side, you can see that the window does not move. Okay, well, this is surprisingly a lot of pieces to take off to get that rubber out. And I can almost guarantee that why this was shaken, it's supposed to have a bushing on this. It should have a bushing there. It would fit down in this track. So here's my solution to, I got a cheap cutting board, roughly the same thickness as these bushings. That's looking pretty good, so I just gotta clean up these edges. All right, so I've done a rough cut around my bushing. Here's a look at this. I did smooth down this. I did a test fit. Okay, so I have gotten this door back together. I got the window all in. Got this new weather strip molding. That all looks really good. And these bushings that I put in the window have definitely made it better. Does work good now. Yeah. So I got all that back together. Does look pretty good. And the window is definitely tight now. Much better than it was. Door shuts good. Very nice.